Oh yeah, before we get into this next video, I'd like to give a shout out to Entertaining TV. You know, he put me on to this Future Point stuff, you know. I just joined the family. Holla, show me love, you know, I'm showing you love. But yeah, I hope you like this one. Hello YouTube. Here's another video coming at you. This is another one of my videos of how to make free money and stuff. My next app is Future Points. Let's get in there and see what we got good going on in here. Okay, immediately it goes to my share link. Okay, let's go check out my earnings first. Okay, I earned 1,107 coins already. I've only been messing with this for, 2 weeks, downloading some stuff. Took a couple surveys. Some of these surveys I didn't qualify for. I'm not understanding why, but that's how it is, I guess. But yeah, this is another one that's supposed to, get you some more extra money in your pockets. So let's go to the rewards and see what we can win. Okay, we can redeem points for Bitcoin, PayPal, Amazon, Google Play, FIFA, Pokemon Go, Starbucks, Xbox, Steam, League of Legends, Nintendo eShop, Battle.net, and another FIFA points. I don't mess with any of these gift cards and or PayPal. I may do the Bitcoin one because I'm doing a lot of Bitcoin, and nowadays I got a couple miners. I'm making pretty good Stellonians or whatever those things are, but that's in another video. Okay, let's see how much money we need to get some money to my PayPal. Okay, I would need approximately 1,800 points for $3, 3,000 points for $5, 6,000 points for $10. Oh, it goes up and it keeps going. As you see, you can make your way all the way up here to get this much, $1,000 going to your PayPal. It's going to take some time to get up that far, but you keep rocking with this app, keep messing with it daily, doing the downloads, doing the survey, you will get there in no time. As you see, I'm already accumulated 1,000, so almost at that $3 threshold. But I'm trying to make big money with this, so I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna probably mess with this for like another month or two, just downloading, accumulating points, see where I go from there. But if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe, share to your friends, add my referral. As you see, it's right here, 6DW88P. Add me, we both can earn that money.